Why was Bhavalpur on the target of Indian security forces? Because it is home to Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists. It is one of the epic centers from where terror has been pushed in India for last 2.5 decades. India woke up to a big breaking news on May 7th that it has launched Operation Sindoor. As per Ministry of Defence official statement, India launched Operation Sindoor, a precise and restrained response to the barbaric Pahalgam terror attack in which 26 innocent lives were lost, in which also included one Nepali resident. So, as per Ministry of Defence, focus strikes were carried on at 9 terrorist bases, in which infrastructure sites in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir in Jammu and Kashmir were targeted. These sites were targeted because from here terror was being exported from Pakistan, and India says that it has got credible evidence as far as Pahalgam, a terror attack, is concerned, that Pakistan was the brain behind it, that in fact the perpetrators belonged to that state, and they were the ones who were responsible for this attack. So as per MOD, Pakistani military facilities were hit, reflecting India's calibrated and non-escalatory approach. This operation underscores India's resolve to hold perpetrators accountable while avoiding unnecessary provocation. So this is a statement which has come out by the Ministry of Defence. We at Indian Express are going to share all the factual information and are not going to propagate fake news. So whatever information that we are sharing has been shared by Indian official handles, or the Indian statements, the minister's statements have been shared. So whatever those statements are, Indian Express is going to share those statements with you. So what we have learned, that the Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi monitored the entire operation. In fact, these strikes were made, 4 terror strikes were made in Pakistan and 5 were made in Pakistan occupied Kashmir. As far as the places are struck, they included Bhavalpur, Muridke, Muzaffarabad and Kotli. So why Bhavalpur? Why was Bhavalpur on the target of Indian security forces? Because it is home to Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists. It is one of the epic centers from where terror has been pushed in India for last 2.5 decades. It has served as an operational base to Jaish-e-Mohammed. In fact, Jamia Subhan Allah complex is the operational base which is located there, and Indian security forces had their coordinates, and that's why Bhavalpur was struck. Jaish terror organization was behind Pulwama terror attack and also a parliament attack which happened in 2000. Why Muridke? Because again it is a headquarter for Lashkar which has been an out arm of Pakistani ISI. So these are the places which have been struck. After that, we at Indian Express learned that National Security Advisor Mr. Ajit Doval spoke to his counterpart in USA, the USNSA, and also Secretary of State Marco Rubio, and he briefed him about the actions which were taken by the Indian establishment in response to the Pakistani attack. In fact, we also learned that the senior Indian officials also reached out to their counterparts in UK, that is United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and also Russia. As far as the international community is concerned, they have shown their solidarity with India, but the response after the attack, in fact, the American secretary, also stated that they have been monitoring the situation between India and Pakistan very closely, and America hopes that this escalation ends quickly and both nations can peacefully resolve whatever problems they have with each other. So this was the response of America after the strike, after the Indian National Security Advisor Mr. Ajit Doval spoke to him. Immediately after these attacks had taken place, even Embassy of India India, they also put out a statement in which they said that India had credible leads, technical inputs, testimony of survivors and other evidence pointing towards clear involvement of Pakistani based terrorist organization. It was expected, that is what India says, that it was expected that Pakistan would be taking action against these terrorists and their infrastructure facilities. But since they did not, instead, during the fortnight that has gone by, Pakistan has indulged in denial and made allegations of false flag operations against India. So, India blames Pakistan that they have not done enough as far as counter, measures or counter approach which they should have taken after this, because India has shared all the evidences in the international community also. So, this is the Indian response. This is the Embassy of India with a statement which they have put out. So we are reading that. As per this statement, India actions have been focused and precise. They were measured, responsible and designed to be non-escalatory in nature. No Pakistani civilian, economic or military targets have been hit. Only known terror camps were targeted. So this was the statement which Embassy of India in United States put out. So we are, trying to collaborate, trying to tell you what the Indian government response has been. Their official handles have stated on platform X. In fact, Ministry of Defense have also now stated that Pakistan has violated ceasefire violation by firing artillery in Bhimbir Gully of Punch. Army is responding in a calibrated manner. But after this statement, they also put out a statement in which they said justice have been served. Hashtag Pulwama terror attack. Meanwhile, after this news which came out that the airspace has been volatile since last 12 hours, many of the flight operators have cancelled flights. In fact, many flight operations which go to the northern airports of India have been cancelled because this airspace is tense. In fact, Indigo, SpiceJet and Air India have put out tweets saying that many sectors have been impacted. In fact, in North India, Dharamshala, Jammu, Srinagar, Amritsar are going to be closed. Air India also said that Bhuj, Jamnagar and Rajkot are going to be closed till 12 noon. Qatar International Airways has also said that they won't be operating any flights over from Pakistani airspace till the matters are resolved. So the situation is tense. We are also learning that the Srinagar airport has been shut. Today, later in the day, there is going to be cabinet committee meeting on security, after which probably a media briefing will also be taking place as to how India struck back. We at Indian Express would be bringing you detailed information as to the inside stories of the entire Operation Sindoor. This is Neeta Sharma reporting for Indian Express.